that time. I'm out of here. Hit that chopper. Have ended up at the Belle Two Lodge here near Meziadin, British Columbia. It's on the Highway 37 on north to Alaska for all you travelers. This lodge is pretty cool. They've got all these accommodations. It's a beautiful place, but very busy with the helicopters. Oh, the flies are unreal here too. Just here for a very short time. This is cool. Probably like 150 bucks a night.
Hey,
No,
how's it going?
Okay.
You working here?
Yeah, buddy.
Fucking right.
Christopher
Yo.
just shows up. Mr. Storm himself.
Just got out of camp, yeah.
A lot of flies. A lot of flies. Nonetheless, really happy to be here. My ride's coming down the highway. Right there, at some point. 4 hours, I'll be home.